In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have the built-in average handling time feature turned on, so you can capture accurate handling time for every ticket and feed that data into your reports without adding extra work for your team. First, make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Only admins can access the global settings that affect all agents, so if you don't see the admin area in your Freshdesk account, you likely don't have the right permissions and will need to switch to an admin profile. This step is essential because the setting we're about to change applies across your help desk. Once you're in with admin access, head to the admin section. In the left sidebar, find Agent Productivity and then select Average Handling Time. This is where Freshdesk centralizes the controls for the native time tracking timer that measures how long agents spend handling tickets. Think of it as the official stopwatch that powers your AHT metrics and related reports. If your interface looks slightly different, look for similarly named sections under Agent or Productivity. The feature name you want is Average Handling Time. Inside the Average Handling Time screen, locate the main toggle and set it to Enabled. When you enable this, Freshdesk will start tracking handling time automatically according to its built-in logic, so your dashboards and reports can reflect true time spent. You don't need to manually start or stop anything here at the admin level. Enabling the toggle activates it platform-wide. Most accounts save this setting instantly, but give the page a second to confirm the change. There's also an optional control that lets you hide the stopwatch from agents while it still runs in the background for reporting. Turning on this option keeps the interface clean and reduces distractions for your team, yet you still capture every second needed for your metrics. It's useful if you want consistent data without prompting agents to interact with a visible timer. You can always make it visible again later if you decide that transparency or coaching would benefit from showing the timer on screen. That's all there is to it. Log in as an administrator, navigate to admin, open Agent Productivity, choose Average Handling Time, enable the toggle, and, if it suits your workflow, hide the stopwatch from agent view. From here on, Freshdesk will capture handling time automatically so your reports reflect how long tickets actually take, helping you spot bottlenecks, set benchmarks, and support better staffing decisions with confidence.